Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how to add the Polygon network to your Metamask. First you want to come to this URL. I'm going to leave this down in the description. Then you're going to want to go to your Metamask, click on this little thing, go add network. Then we're going to add in these fields into our Metamask add network fields. I'm going to go right, just copy and paste it. Very easy. 137. For that, I'm going to remember that. Just go 137. And the main currency is Matic. Oh, actually, I don't think I spelled that right. Oh, Matic with a T. That's not. Okay, Matic. And I want to get the Block Explorer. Let me put that in. So it's optional, but I always like to put those in. So now we are connected. We now have that network in there. So now we can start using quickswap. So thank you for watching. Please thumbs up and please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.